Hey guys, here I am again. Well, today is something very different from what I usually do through this medium. I don't usually give legal advice, especially on immigration or any other area of law which I practice, due to people taking advantage of it and they start asking you questions and not to in order to avoid paying legal fees. So they contact you and start looking for a way of not paying. So because of that, I don't normally do it. But I'm doing this today as a one-off and I'll be very brief. This is all about the immigration rules and there's a lot of misinformation going around. People thinking because of the coronavirus endemic or the lockdown in the whole United Kingdom now, you do not need to apply for your visa or to renew your leave to remain, which is about to expire. Firstly, I have to say that information is incorrect. This morning, I tried something out because one of my clients actually need their visa to be renewed. And as you know, as a professional, you try to avoid professional negligence against you in the United Kingdom. So now, what I did this morning, I went to the Home Office website to submit the application. Now, why I say it is virtually wrong information to say you do not need to apply for your visa or to renew your leave to remain in the United Kingdom. On the Home Office website, the Visas and Immigration, I'm about to submit an application, the so-called notorious or the well-known FLRFP. Now, on that, the first part of it, when it says start, it said due to the impact of COVID-19 and the worldwide border travel and public health restrictions, our appointment locations are temporarily closed. You should complete your application and any further actions as usual. Your application will not be affected by the center's closing. It is not possible to offer a priority or super priority service. Do not choose these services when you apply. Now, in a plain English, it simply means you should apply for extension of your visa. Obviously, people who are here on visit visa may have a defense of saying because of the closure of the airports and lockdown, airlines are not taking passengers to some countries. Therefore, you can stay in the UK till the end of May 2020. That is on the Home Office website. But it's still not clear who can actually benefit from this. But my advice will be, yes, if you are here on a visit visa, you may have a good defense. However, the problem there is this. If you're applying to come back again in the future, you may have problem of not being granted visa to come. So that is something that you need to be careful about. I've had experience of people stay in United Kingdom. Some of you will remember the good old point-based system. Those days when people actually apply for their renewal to switch from student visa to the postgraduate or the tier 1 general visa. And those days, if your application is refused, you went for your appeal dismissed, you can still resubmit your application, and then, you will be granted, or they were granted then, the extension of their tier 2, or sorry, not tier 2, tier 1 migrant visa. Now, problem now here is some people submitted their application after the 28 days period. Now, so those people caught off in a big problem. As of today, some of them, they've not been able to renew or to get their indefinite leave to remain on 10 years lawful residence in the country due to that very more than 28 windows of resubmitting the application. So guys, as I said, very, very brief, be careful out there. Don't listen to all this fake information, people telling you, oh, don't worry about it, you don't need to submit your visa because coronavirus, endemic, and all those kind of stuff. You still need to submit your application so that you don't become illegal in the country. You may not be able, you will not even be able to book appointment to attend the application center to do your biometric, to give you the biometric data exercise. But please do submit your application. I've read it to you. You should know that by now. Thank you. God bless.